So as well as managing your budgets, your asset information, your reactive, planned and quoted works orders within Concerto, what we're also able to do is manage any capital projects or planned maintenance projects. So as we've seen with our site homepage, we have a very similar methodology around our projects homepage. So here's an example project which is to extend an admin area and reception. So very briefly, we get a sense of who the client is, the status that that project's at, the project type, and then obviously a RAID log as well, which captures any key risks, assumptions, issues and dependencies to deliver that particular project. Alongside that, we get a really good view of what the financials are for that particular project in terms of our total budget, our commitment to expenditure to date, and any fees earned to deliver that particular project. We can also capture the timesheet costs that have been attributed to that project as well. So as well as just capturing our financials to external providers, we can also capture our professional fees that we've utilised to deliver that particular project. Alongside of here, we can capture the key documents that we've stored to manage the delivery of that project. So as you can see here, we've got a series of fire plans and signage information, and we can view this information directly within the application itself. We also have a view of what our project plan looks like, and our project plans can either be added straight into the system or they can be imported from Microsoft Project. And then we can allocate resource to those project plans so we can understand what our resource requirements are and whether we have enough members within the team to deliver that project. What we can also capture are the key governance items. So what are our stages of work? What do we utilise to manage the governance of our projects? So the example here, we've used the REBA stages of work in that we have our option appraisals and feasibility and outlines, and then we have a series of key workflow stages that ultimately get us to the final delivery of our particular project. And within here, we can also capture workflows to allow us to move from stage to stage with gates attributed to them to make sure that we're constantly on track with the delivery of our project. And as within Concerto, all the works that we undertake always links back to our property asset itself. So as we can see here, the project that we have a series of key functions against also relate back to our key building itself. So once again, allowing us to get a view of all reactive and planned works, as well as quoted works, but also our main capital and programmed works as well, given a holistic view of all spend against all properties within our portfolio.